Hello, food explorers. Welcome to Blogging Good Food. Today, we are diving into the world of cake decoration. Whether you are a beginner or seasoned pro, we have got some fantastic cake decorating tips and tricks to elevate your sweet creations. Let's get started. First up, let's explore some cake decorating tips for beginners. If you are just starting, it's essential to keep things simple. Begin with the basics like mastering your frosting technique. A smooth and even cost of frosting sets the foundation for a beautiful cake. Don't forget to gather your essential supplies like piping bags and tips. They make intricate designs a breeze. Now let's move on to some fun cake decor ideas. These are perfect for adding a creative touch to your cakes, whether it's for a special occasion or just because. Consider themed cake toppers like these adorable ones for kids' birthdays. They instantly elevate your cake's look. Planning a wedding? Get inspired with these elegant cake decorating ideas perfect for your special day. Let's move on to cake design inspiration. Your cake's design should reflect your creativity and style. Don't forget about the cake table. It's an essential part of presentation. Elevate your cake presentation with unique cake stands and decor ideas. Now let's explore some creative cake box decorating ideas. It's not just about the cake, the presentation matters too. Transform plain cake boxes into eye-catching packaging with DIY decorating techniques. Personalize your cake packaging with names, themes, or special messages for a thoughtful touch. Lastly, let's showcase some unique cake stand designs. Your cake stands can complement your cake's aesthetic and make it stand out. Embrace the charm of rustic cake stands for a cozy and inviting look. Stay on trend with modern and minimalist cake stand designs that exude elegance. And that wraps up our quick journey through these cake decorating ideas. If you found this video helpful, be sure to check out our article on the same topic at blogginggoodfood.com. Thanks for watching and happy cake decorating!